Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tea very tasty, updated. Use fresh filtered water and heat to just off boil for green tea or full boil for black tea, then measure 2 tsb loose leaf per 8 Oz cup. Pre-warm your teapot or cup to keep temperature steady. Steep for the right time, usually 2 to 4 minutes, and taste as you go to find your perfect balance. In this video, I will explain how to make tea very tasty, updated. Start by following recommended steep times by tea type and always use a timer to avoid over-extraction. Taste at the end of the suggested window and adjust future brews by 30 to 60 seconds to suit your preference. Remove leaves promptly with a fine strainer to stop steeping. Keep notes so you repeat successful brews and learn what you like best. In this video, I will review how to make tea very tasty, updated. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful guides. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a fun treat for your commute and to keep mornings pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make tea very tasty, updated. Start small when adjusting flavors, adding a squeeze of lemon or a teaspoon of honey to taste. Try a splash of milk for creaminess, or a whisper of cardamom or cinnamon to add warmth. Blend 2 compatible teas to create a new character, and tweak temperature or steep times slightly until the flavor sings. Keep it balanced and enjoy experimenting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.